Happiness. We all want it, don't we? But it often feels like a mirage, a glimmering vision that fades the closer we get. Today, I want to tell you a story of a young man who, like many of us, spent his days...
I created this entire video using free AI software. In the past month, this Faceless channel has generated millions of views and earned anywhere from $500 to $1,000 just creating philosophy and motivational stories. That is why in this video, I'm going to be creating the entire Faceless channel from idea generation, script writing, creating images, animation, voiceover, and background music only using free AI softwares. So trust me, you want to watch the full video because I will be sharing a pro tip with you. So stick around to watch from the beginning to the end. Let's get into it. If we want to create Faceless YouTube channel like this, you will follow those 7 steps. First is creating channel, to scripting, creating voiceover, generating images, then adding animation, background music, and lastly editing. So the first thing is to get the ideas for the channel to create. Come on to ChatGPT and write this prompt. Give me 40 YouTube niches. ChatGPT is going to give you a list of 40 YouTube niches you can create your Faceless YouTube channel. So we literally know we are creating motivational and philosophical stories. So let's create the channel. Head over to YouTube platform, click on profile. At the top, pick switch account and click on view all channels. Press the plus button to create a new channel. So we will need a channel name. We will get the idea of the channel name from ChatGPT. Write this prompt. Suggest 10 YouTube channel name ideas in motivational and philosophical niche. ChatGPT will list it for us. So pick one you like. For this tutorial, I will choose 2. Mindset Chronicle. Copy and paste it and click create button. Boom, our channel has been created. So we will need a description for our channel. Definitely we'll go back to ChatGPT and write this prompt. I choose 2. Give me a channel description, add call to actions, and make more engagement. Once given, copy the description and paste on your YouTube studio. You can literally adjust the description to your satisfaction. So our channel needs picture to make it unique. So we need a character that will suit the motivational and philosophical channel. So we can generate one in Canva on Leonardo.ai. This generates fantastic free images. So what we want to do now, we go to ChatGPT and write this prompt. Give me a list of characters that will fit well in this philosophical niche. Beautiful. So we have detailed list of characters needed. You simply pick any of your choice. Let's pick 9 storyteller and write this prompt. I choose 9. Give me an image prompt so I can generate a profile picture in Leonardo.ai. Leonardo.ai is the best image generated software. It has all the features we need here. So what we want to do is copy the prompt and head over to Leonardo.ai, click image generation, paste the prompt, press generate. It will generate 4 images for us. And let's pick one. Then come over to YouTube Studio and click on Upload. Select image and click on Publish. Now let's move to the next step, which is scripting. This is the most important part of the video. If you have poor scripting, your video will not get views. Let's head over to ChatGPT. You can also get the script idea from existing video with higher views on your niche. Write this prompt on ChatGPT. Create a compelling YouTube video script for a storyteller who give life lesson with an eye-catching video title and give me engaging with call to action video description. The topic is the secret to true happiness. So I will leave the prompt in my description below. So let's wait for you to bring up our script. Well, at last our script is ready. So grab your tea, because we are about to transform this script to a powerful animated video. But before that, we need to create voiceover. Next is creating voiceover. So to create a voiceover, come on to 11 Lab. Why? Because it has perfect tone and sound that we need. What you need to do is just for you to sign up for free. Then we simply copy script per paragraph and paste it here. So let's change the voice to Brian.
Happiness. We all want it, don't we? But it often feels like a mirage, a glimmering vision that fades the closer we get. Today I want to
This voice is perfect for our video, Mindset Chronicle. So click on Generate Speech. This is a pro tip. When generating AI voiceover, you need to generate each paragraph separately, because if you make the entire voiceover at a go, it will be less expressive. And trust me, we don't want that. So we copy the script per paragraph, generate the speech, and download. After downloading the entire voiceover, please don't forget to give numbers to the audio file so to ease the editing process. So let's head over to this amazing step, transforming the script and voiceover to powerful animated video. So if you are still here with me, please kindly smash that like button and subscribe. Have you done that? Thank you. So let's head on to generate amazing image. So to generate this image, we can use leonardo.ai or playground.com, because Playground gives more credit to users. Let's go back to ChatGPT to get ideas. Write this prompt. Provide me with 15 test prompts that I will use to generate image in Leonardo.ai. I want the picture. I will put the prompt in my description below. So after writing this prompt, then ChatGPT will give you the image prompts so that you can create same style of images for all the scenes. Now we have our visual prompt. Next, go to leonardo.ai, click on create image. So copy a prompt from ChatGPT, paste on leonardo.ai, generate the image and download. So we want to do so for all the prompts, or you can simply pick prompts at random in accordance with the script. Next, we want to breathe life to this picture and superchange our video. So that leads us to step 5, animation. So we will be using Gemmo or Pieceverse. Create a free account in Gemmo and head over to this page. Click on image to video, pick the image and click create. Do so for all the images and download them all. Believe me there, people spend a lot of money to learn what I share for free today. So as the image is processing, let's proceed to the next step. That is background music. So to achieve this background music, we will open Pixabay. I believe some of you are familiar with this Pixabay. There we will get good music, and also their music are copyrighted free. We want to search for documentary background music. So we type documentary background music. So it will bring out the list. So we pick the best one for us. Let's pick this and download. Now it is time to put everything together, from the voiceover the images, the background music, and everything. So we want to combine everything together. So we are going to the next step, editing. You can use any editing software, but for this tutorial we head over to CapCut. So what do? Open CapCut, press the plus button. So we import all what we have generated, the voiceover, the background music, the images. So we drag them to the timeline. So we increase all the video scale, arrange the image according to the voice. Make sure you split some parts that are in excess, highlight and make combined stage. So we have to speed up this process. You can You can also go to effect and add zoom lens for image zooming. Also add transition. I'll be using mix transition. Apply to all. Also to add effect, we click on Firefly effect, then generate. We also want to generate caption, so we go to caption, auto caption, then pick any text template that we need. It will reflect on it, or we can reduce the size of the caption. Okay, that's it. After that, make sure you adjust your aspect ratio to 16:9 for YouTube long video. So after all this has been done, export your work, rename your video to the title of your video, because this gives ranking to your video search. Bonus step, we want to design our thumbnail and banner. Okay, so to create this, we'll head over to Canva. So to design thumbnail, import the image of your choice. We have already downloaded some images. So we can pick any of the image, we add text to it, adjust it. We want to change the color of some text. So we add shadow effects on the lettering to make it, and that is all. We export it and it's saved. To design the banner, you can simply use the available template in Canva. Edit the template. So we want to write our channel name. Then after that, we upload it. We upload it to our YouTube studio and click publish. Our banner is ready and our thumbnail. So next, we want to upload our video. In our YouTube studio, go to create and click upload. Drag your file here, or we select from your folder. Copy your description from ChatGPT. Remember, we've already asked ChatGPT to give us description for this video. So we go back to copy it and paste it in our description box. So we upload the thumbnail we created earlier. Click on not made for kids. So for your tags, ChatGPT can actually do so for us, but we can simply use this software called rapidtags.io. So let's open rapidtags.io. We can get best tags for our video. So what do? We copy and paste the title of your video on Rapid Tags. alert it being created. Just copy and paste. We have completed the work. Click on publish. Boom, our video is ready to be visible for the world to see. Wait a minute. There are different ways you can make up to $10,000 monthly from YouTube aside from YouTube AdSense. This is affiliate marketing. I will recommend ClickBank and Amazon Associates. Sign up and promote their digital and physical products by creating videos around this. Doing this, you gain commission from the affiliate link. So that is all for today, guys. If you find this video helpful and important, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and press that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thank you.